Welcome to ABC Tech Institute, Uttamnagar branch. My name is Asha and I am the trainer of RSC. I am going to tell you about that which type of tools used in RSCW. So let's begin. This is flipped types of screwdriver which is used to remove or fit screws while installation or servicing of RSC, and this is flat type of screwdriver. So our next tool is Allen key set. Let me show you. This is our Allen key set which is used to tighten nuts having hexagonal lashes in the head. Okay. So our next part is combination plier, which is used to grip object, strip or cut wires, handling for general use. Okay. And this is our nose plier, which is used to grip small hardware good for narrow workspace, strip or cut wires. Okay. Our next part is adjustable wrench, which is used for opening or fitting odd size and nuts and bolts. Okay. So now we are talking about our next tool, which is file. This is our file used for cooperative filing. Okay. So guys, this is our mini hexa, which is used for cutting metal tubes and installation and maintenance work. So now our next part is hammer for accurate blows on the metal for bending or shaping, etc. Okay. So guys, this is our most important parts in our RCW, which is clamp meter. This is used for measure resistance, DC voltage, AC voltage, and current flow, continuity, and etc. Next part is tube cutter. This is used for cutting tubes, copper tubes in our trade. And our next part is capillary tube cutter, which is used for cutting capillary tube without damage. Okay. So our next part is pinch off plier, which is used to pinching refrigeration system tubes. Okay. So our next part is, so guys, this is our brazing rod, which is used for good quality joints. And our next part is related to brazing. This is our heat reflector, to reflect the heat on the joints while brazing and save PUF or similar materials from getting burnt. Okay. So our next part is tube bender. This is spring type tube bender and this is dia type tube bender. Both are used for bending tube without pinching or without damaging. So we will move. So guys, this is our flaring and swaying tool. This is called swaying tool and this is called flaring tool. This is called yoke and this is called block. This is used for flaring and swaying copper tubes during servicing. Okay. So our next part is, so guys, this is emery paper or emery cloth used for polishing all joints for best brazing result through capillary action. Okay. So guys, this is our compound gauge and this is our pressure gauge, which is useful to measure the pressure at low side. This is used for low side pressure and this is used for high side pressure present in the sealed system. Okay. This is our deburring tool, or we can also say this is burr remover, which is used for removes the burr of cut copper tube from inner edges as well as from outer edges. Okay. So our next part is sprit level. You can see this. This is like this. This is required for measuring inclination of air cone while installing. While installing, we use this device for knowing leveling. And our next part is wire cutter, which is used to cutting wire and small bolts like. So guys, this is our measuring tape. You can see this. This is our normal measuring tape, which is required to measure the room size while calculating heat load at the time of installation of air conditioning. Okay, so our next part is T Allen key, or we can say T box spanner, which is used to open Allen screws of fan or fan and blower. Okay, so a tool is open-ended spanner, which is used to open hexagonal nuts and bolts. And we know very well this is electrical tape, which is used while we joint wires. And this is our butane can, which is used for brazing, and this is our torch, which is fixed on brazing can. Okay, so guys, if you like the video, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching our video.